Namaste बच्चों, myself JVN Dr. Marika Trivedi. I am from Department of Science and Technology, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, today's topic is overtones and hot points. What are the overtones? As in the previous lectures, we have learned about the rotational and vibrational bands. The overtone are also the bands which occurs when a vibration modes exist from V0 to V2, which called the first overtone, and over the V0 to V3 is a second overtone. So the fundamental transition which is from V is equals to plus minus 1 to 0 are the most commonly occurring, and the probability of the overtones rapid decrease as the number of quanta, which is del mu is equals to plus minus n, increases. Based on harmonic oscillator approximation, the energy of the overtone transition would be n time larger than the energy of fundamental transitions frequency. But in the enharmonic oscillator, calculations show that the overtones are less than a multiple of fundamental frequencies. This is a demonstrated in this tabulated form. You can see the transition from 0 to 1. This is a fundamental band, and this is the V absorption in V harmonic and V harmonic and enharmonic values for a fundamental band for a 0 to 1 transition. From 0 to 2 transition, it is termed as a first overtone. Okay, and the third one is a 0 to 3 level transition. It is called as a second overtone. Now the fourth one is the 0 to 4 transition. It is called as a third overtone, and the last one is from 0 to 5 transition. It is known as a fourth overtone. These are the vibration for absorption and mu absorption, and the values of mu absorption, mu harmonic and mu enharmonic. You can see in these values there is the hike in a harmonic absorptions, and as compared to mu absorptions is mu and anti enharmonic values. Okay, now what are the combination bands? The combination bands are absorbed when more than two or more functional variations are exist stimulately, and one reason a combination bands might occur if a fundamental vibration does not occur because of the symmetry, and this is also known as a vibronic coupling. Okay, in an electronic transition in which the fundamental modes can be excited and allowed to be a doubly excited state. The combination bonds additionally is also have two frequencies, but it also possible to have different bands where the frequencies are subtracted. To determine if the two states can be existed stimulators the transition moment integral most of the evolution of the approximate excited state wave function. Here you can see that the value of psi 1, psi 2, psi 3, and the transition from psi 1 to 0 to 2, 0 to 0, and 0 to 1. Okay, so these are the transition, and if the symmetry of the excited state will be direct to the product, the irreducible representation for psi 1 2 and psi 1 psi 3 1. For example, in the point group C4V, the V1 has a symmetry E and V3 has a symmetry A2. By performing the calculation, we will get the determination of a psi 1 2 has A1 plus B1 plus B2 symmetry. So this is the value for the C2V point group. A practical use for understanding the overtone and the combination band is applied to organic solvent, and it is used in spectroscopy. Most of the organic liquids have a strong overtone and the combination bands in the mid-infrared region. Therefore, the acetone, DMSO, or acetonitrile should only be used in a very narrow spectrum region. And a solvent like CCl4, CS2 and CdCl2 can be used above the 1200 centimeter inverse. Now, what are the hot bands? The hot bands are absorbed when an already excited vibration is further excited. For example, an V1 to V1 dash transition corresponds to the hot band in its IR spectrum. These transitions are temperature dependent, with the lower signal intensity at the lower temperature and higher signal intensity at the higher temperature. This is because at the room temperature only the ground state is highly populated, like KT is equals to near about the 200 centimeter inverse, based on the Boltzmann distribution. The Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution law states that if the molecule in a thermal equilibrium occupy the two states of energies, which is epsilon J and epsilon I, the relative population of the molecule occupying this state will be N J by Ni is equals to E minus epsilon J RT by E epsilon I minus epsilon I RT is equals to E is equals to minus del E by RT, where the K is Boltzmann constant and T is equals to temperature in a Kelvin. In the harmonic oscillator model, the hot bonds are not easily distinguished from the fundamental transition because of the energy levels are equally spread, because the spacing between the energy level in a harmonic oscillator decreases with increase in a vibration level. The hot bands occur at the lower frequency that the fundamentals band appears. Also, the transition moment integrals are slightly different, since the ground state will not necessarily be totally symmetric, since it is not in a V0. Here you can see the transition from 0 to 0, 0 to 0 and 1 to 0 for a hot band. In a 1, A, B and C, you can see that the hot bands in a vibrational line spectrum of a diatomic molecule. The first is harmonic frequency, the second is for a hot band transition, and the third one, C, is a combination of both of the spectra. So this is all about the overtone and hot bands and IR spectroscopy. Thank you very much.